Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss about how to draw the circuit diagram for a switching circuit in mathematical logic. With the help of some examples, we will discuss. Before that, basically, for the switches, when they are connected in series, let us see please, if two switches are connected in series, suppose this is one switch and this is other switch. Now, two switches are given. Suppose this is S1 switch and this is switch S2. Okay. Here, this S1 and S2 are connected in series. If we give, or if you connect this battery and a light to check, here this S1 and S2 are connected in series. It is exactly same as conjunction in logic. If someone consider, let P denoted by S1 and Q denoted by S2, then symbolic form of circuit is symbolic form of our circuit is P and Q, or simply S1 and S2. Okay, this is the symbolic form of circuit. It means if two switches are connected in series, you have to connect them with the help of AND in logic. This is the first part important. Now second part, it is again important. If two switches are connected like this, here S1 and S2 are connected. This is S1 and this is S2 parallelly. If two switches are connected in parallelly, if we join this, connect this source of electricity and the checking bulb, okay, direction of current flow here also. Okay, here similarly here, if we consider, let S1 denoted by P and S2 denoted by Q, then symbolic form will be, symbolic form is P or Q. It is exactly same as P or Q, this combination. How it is? As you know that in the truth table of conjunction, we have already seen, it means studied in our previous lectures, how to make the truth table. Here I am making the truth table of first circuit. Let us see please. If suppose this is input S1, this is input S2, and it is output of the circuit in the last column. Okay. Suppose that this is S1 means P, this is Q, and last P and Q. As we have studied, if P and Q two atomic statements, there are four possibilities of truthness. T both may be true. First true, second false, first false, second true, and both false. No, it is true, it is false, it is false, it is false. Here, the conjunction is true only when both are true. Otherwise, conjunction false. Similarly, in this figure, current flows through the circuit only if both switches are on. Got it? Both switches are on. And here, for on position, we are denoting here 1, and which is equivalent to true. Okay, and for off position we will consider here 0, and it is equivalent to false in logic. Instead of this true and false, we are using 1 and 0. What is the meaning of this 1? On. Okay, what is the meaning of 0? Off. Whatever, off, on, off, switch on, light on, like this, switch off, light off, like this. Current not flowing, then 0, current flowing, then 1. It means that on. Okay, now I'm changing this for the circuit. Instead of this TF, we are using 1 0 to show this. Okay, please see here, it is 1 1, both are on, both switches are on. First on, second off, first off, second on, both are off. These are four possibilities of state of switches. 1 1, both are on here, showing on, both are on means automatically current flows to the circuit and light on. Got it? And if suppose Q means S2 is not on, it is off, so current will come up to this place only. Current never cross this position. Why? Because we have considered here the possibility that the second switch is not on. Okay, it is off. At that time, current does not flow. This light never on. It is off. This 0 indicating that. Here also similarly, first switch is off, then current does not flow because the combination series. And here when both are off, no matter, current does not flow. It is equivalent to conjunction. So we can say that mathematical logic, we can use application of switching circuit in mathematical logic. We have application. Now next. Now after this, for ORing case, the same table we can make here. Let us see. This table is known as input output table. This table is input output table. Which table is this? Input output table. This is supposed to be for P. This is supposed to be for Q. And this title row, in which this is P, this is Q, and this is the P or Q output column. We know this is 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 possibilities. And here, if you observe carefully, both the switches are on. Then current will enjoy, current will flow through the circuit, and we will enjoy this glowness, this glowing of light, and light will flow. It means that light will be on. At that time, current flows to the circuit. If one switch is on and one switch is off, it doesn't matter. If switch is on and this is off, current will flow through this direction. Okay, so light will on. Again, if this off and this is on, and current will flow through this direction. So it is again 1, and here current never flow, so it is off. This is the situation. You have to use this for reading the circuit, for reading the behavior of circuit. Someone can say current flows when both are on, current does not flow when at least one is off. Here we can say the current flows when at least one is on, and current does not flow if both are off, like this. Okay, this is the basic ideology for a circuit, for study circuit and to draw the circuit. And from the circuit, we can write the logical expression. So which type of questions asked on this part? The first important question will be asked on this part is draw the circuit. Question, draw the switching circuit. Draw the switching circuit off. Let's see. First question, P and Q or negation P and R. Here, this is one expression, logical expression, symbolic form of one circuit. You have to convert that in circuit form. Let us see please how to do it. It is very, very easy. First, you have to observe how many atomic statements used. Okay, 3 atomic statements used. Okay, how many? 3. One is P, Q, and third one is R. So we have one negation P. Oh, it is a complementary switch of P. Okay, so we are considering switches for this. Let us see how to consider. Let P denoted by S1 and Q denoted by, we can use this equivalent symbol, Q denoted by S2 and R denoted by switch number 3. But we have one more term here, negation P, and automatically negation P is S1 dash, the notation for complementary switches. Now we can draw the circuit of this. Before drawing the circuit of the given expression, what you have to observe, this expression containing main 2 parts, and these two main 2 parts are connected by OR. It means that some part is up and some part is down. First we have to make the upper part and then after lower part. When you are making the upper part, again read that this contain 2 switches connected in series. Okay, because AND is used. AND means series. So first part we can draw here. Let us see please how to draw it. First part of this expression we can draw using this. Let us see please. Okay, this is the first part of the circuit. We can give the symbol to these switches. One is S1 and other is S2. With the help of another ring we are using here S1 and S2. Okay, and now this part, after this we have to connect with the second part, and the second part containing again, and here also 2 switches are connected in series. Let us see, please. Here, this is one switch and one more switch here, and you can name these switches as per the consideration. Here, negation P means S1 dash, and the second switch is here R, so it is S3. Now we have to connect these two parts, showing they are connecting parallelly. Let us see, please. Here, I have connected. Oh, sorry, I'm using the black ink. 1 minute. Here we can join this to complete the circuit, whatever given there. And now the circuit is complete. In order to run it, we need to join or connect to the battery source of electricity. And after this, for checking whether current flow or not flow, this bulb is required to fit here. This direction of current flow. Like this, we can draw the switching circuits very easy. Okay. Again, you can take the examples from your textbook and you can try to draw. You have to keep in your mind that if OR is there, you have to use two parts. One is up and the other is down. Instead of this OR, if AND is again given at the time, all the four switches connected parallelly. But again, one thing, if it is OR and it is OR and it is AND, it is OR and it is AND, it is OR. At that time, if this is OR means two switches, we can connect like this. Here, let us see, please. This is first part. If OR is given instead of AND, if OR is given, this is S1 and this is S2. Again, the lower part. Okay, no lower part. You have to connect in series again like this. Second part. Okay, this is completed. And this is bulb and this is a source of electricity. Okay, we can use like this. Whatever, 1 minute. 1 minute, we will draw it clear way. Instead of this and if OR is given, then we can use like this. Okay, like this again. Here two switches are in parallel, and then we can join the battery like this, and bulb we can fit here. Sorry. Then this one is S1 and this one is S2. This one is S1 dash and this one is S3. Similarly, you can try to draw the circuits. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it in order to get the updates. Thank you very much. Thank you.